Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to ask "How are you?" in Dutch and how to answer this question. The most common way to ask "How are you?" in Dutch is with the question "Hoe gaat het?" Hoe gaat het? Hoe gaat het? This literally translates to "How does it go?" We can add met jou. Hoe gaat het met jou? Met jou means with you and is the second person singular informal. When we want to ask this question in a polite way to someone we hardly know, we can add met u. U is the formal you in Dutch and can be used both for one person or a group of people. We can also add met jullie. Hoe gaat het met jullie? Jullie is the second person plural and is used, for example, with friends or family. When things are going well, you can say goed or het gaat goed. When things are going great, you can answer prima. Het gaat prima. When things are going not so good, you can say niet zo goed. Het gaat niet zo goed. When you're doing bad, you can say slecht. Het gaat slecht. When you want to ask the other person how they are doing, you can ask en met jou or en met u. Let's practice what we've just learned with a short conversation. I'll be white and you'll be yellow. Hallo, hoe gaat het? Met mij gaat het ook goed. Let's switch roles now. You are white and I am yellow. Het gaat goed. En met jou? Well done! We've reached the end of this lesson. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Tot de volgende keer!